Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to show the battery percentage just like I have here, then nothing easier. Just enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find notifications and control center. Now let's scroll down in order to find the status bar, and as you can see at the very bottom of this first section we've got the battery indicator, and after tapping on it you can pick the option you'd like to use. Probably you've got this option applied, so you will be able to pick this one just like I have with the percentage inside the battery icon, or you can set it next to the battery icon, so it's of course up to you, but whichever option you will pick, you will be able to check the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.